Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to send an invitation to SMS via SMS on Evites. So the first thing you have to do is to go into your Evites page. You can sign in or sign up, and then click on your profile icon here, then click on my invitations. Once you click on my invitations, this kind of page should appear in yours. So since we are sending invite via text message, all you have to do is click on the add guest section here, click on it, and it should bring you to a page very similar to the one that is displayed here, and then you can write the name of the person and put the email or phone number here. So you can, since you want it to be a text, you can just add the phone number here, and then okay, you know what, let me just write something. Let me just, okay, Smith, and let me just put a random number. So once the number is complete, you'd click on add guest, and guest is added. Then once you are done, click done and send to one guest. Because I added just a single person, Smith, if I want more I can add more, and then I can click on send to one guest. But since it's not valid, I will just click on save and exit. So this is how to send an invite to uh, through text message on Evites. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.